Has passed through the region today, but as we head throughout tonight, expect more clouds to make their way in with our next weak piece of energy. So you can see right here just off to our west here to Wisconsin and also in southern Minnesota, more snowfall. We'll see that throughout the overnight. Not expecting any accumulations from that, but temperatures, they will be chilly yet again as we have an Arctic air mass in place. And it was pretty cold outside as we saw temperatures only in the middle and the lower 20s for afternoon highs, and that is a good 15 to 20 degrees below average for this time of the year. Let's go ahead and take a look at our current conditions. 23 degrees, northwest winds are at 13 miles per hour. Just dealing with mostly cloudy skies for the time being as we take a look at temperatures across the rest of the region. At 23 here in Marquette, just off to the west though, just a little cooler in some locations as we're seeing more of the upper teens in Ontonagon, 19 degrees there. 23 over in Ironwood, 26 degrees down in Crystal Falls. Lawrence, you were also in the upper teens at 19. And as we take a look just off to our east, Ishpeming, 23 degrees, 22 in Manistee, and 27 for current temperature in Escanaba. Winds, they have been breezy throughout the day, 13 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, 12 in Munising. We'll see them anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour throughout the overnight. But by tomorrow, with this next piece of energy making its way to the east, that will start to usher in a colder air mass. That highs will be even colder tomorrow. We should be only in the teens for afternoon highs. And as we take a look at current temperatures across the rest of the state, 22 down in Gaylord and 29 in Flint, while in the 30s in Grand Rapids and also down in Lansing. And wind chills, they are pretty chilly as well. 14 in Alpena, in the lower teens here into the upper peninsula mostly, 14 in Iron Mountain, and 11 degrees back in Ironwood. Well, what's ahead for us for these next few days? It doesn't really feel like spring, even though it is the first official full week of spring. Well, we'll be below normal as we start off this week. Periods of light snow through their first portions for tonight and for tomorrow. But heavier snow is on the way, and that will be in the form of a much stronger disturbance. And temperatures will start to warm back up as we get closer to Thursday and Friday, but that is when that system will start to make its way in, and that's when we will have the opportunity of seeing some decent accumulations. As we take a look at our current setup, area of low pressure just to our northwest, allowing more snow showers to make its way in, but also an avenue for this Arctic air to make its way from the north. See right between this area of high pressure and the area of low pressure. Really going to be making its way towards us as we head to tomorrow, as we'll be seeing highs only in the teens. And this area of low pressure begins to weaken as it gets closer to the northeast, but there will be another one just off to the south. For us, you can see just light scattered snow flurries, and that will even end as we get later in the day. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of this. Futurecast is going to show us as the system does make its way to the east, just very widely scattered snow showers and also flurries. But by the time we make our way into tomorrow, expect things to clear out just a little bit by tomorrow night, and then we'll be seeing more clouds in advance of our next system coming in late Wednesday night. Tonight, 4 degrees, isolated snow showers, west winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, very gusty winds, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts could be as high as 25 miles per hour, and highs will be in the lower teens as you go farther north or west. Ontonagon at 12 degrees, Houghton 11 degrees, and more of the middle teens in Marquette and in Iron Mountain, both at 16 degrees. Let's go ahead and take a look now at our 7-day forecast. More of the upper 20s by Wednesday, but slowly but surely we'll get ourselves back in the 30s by Thursday, and that's when the heavy snow is expected to make its way in. And we'll see that the snow showers linger on for us on Friday before clear skies await us during the weekend.